English community presence. Idiom of the day. Across the board. If something is across the board, it relates to all without exception. For example, the company has promised to increase salaries across the board, so everyone will get a pay rise. Second example, the tax cuts will only apply to low and middle income families, so they won't be across the board. And here is your quiz question. Pause the video and write your answer in comment box. Subscribe to our channel for updates. Don't forget to like and share this video.